Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.1 question number 2 today. What are the coefficients of x square and x? So first of all, let us see what is a coefficient. Coefficient. So coefficient is nothing but any part of the term that is multiplied by the variable. So if you take x square here, it is multiplied by what? 24. So 24 is the coefficient of x square. So multiplied, whatever it is multiplied with, that becomes its coefficient. So what is the coefficient of x here? Minus root 5. You have to take the symbol also. If suppose the question will be, if you have something like 2xy. So what is the coefficient of x here? You have to take 2 as well as whatever is multiplied with it. So the coefficient of x here will be 2y, not 2. Okay. So this is the coefficient. What is multiplied by the variable of the term. So what you have to take out the particular term, whatever they ask, and the remaining terms you have to write it as the coefficient of that. If suppose you have any signs, include that sign also in the coefficient answer. So with this quick recap, let's move on to our question. So our question is, let's see the first question. 4 plus 2 by 5. This is 2 by 5. Okay. 4 plus 2 by 5 x square. The coefficient of x square here is, we have a positive symbol. So that will be here 2 by 5. And then the coefficient of x here is minus 3. So you write it as minus 3. Just take the term and write the remaining terms which is multiplied with it. Okay, constants or variables, whatever is it. So let's move on to the second question. X square. With x square, what is this? We have a pi symbol here, which is again a constant of 3.14. It goes up. So this is the coefficient of x square. X square is multiplied by pi. So pi is the coefficient of x square here. This is third question. We'll move on to the second question later. And the coefficient of x here is minus 1. So this is minus 1. So whatever is multiplied with x here is minus, which is minus 1. So the fourth question is root 3 x square plus root 2x. So root 3 x square is multiplied by what? Yes, root of 3. So root 3 is the answer for coefficient of x square. Can you say the coefficient of x? Yes, x is multiplied by plus root 2. So you can directly write it as root 2. Just take the terms which is multiplied with that variable. Okay. So now the second and the fifth question are pending. If you see the second question, the coefficient of x square here is, yes, we have a minus 2. So don't forget the symbols, just minus 2. And the coefficient of x, you check, you have x here, x cube here, don't write this, write the x. So for x, we have been multiplied with minus root 7. So this is the answer for coefficient of it. And then x square minus 7 by 2 of x plus 8. So what is the coefficient of x square here in the last question? We don't have anything. It means it is multiplied by 1. So now can you say the coefficient of x here? Yes. Those remember to write the minus. So it will be minus 7 by 2. So with this we have concluded all the questions. Just remember you have to take whatever the term is multiplied with. So write all the remaining terms whichever is multiplied with your x square and your x, include the symbols. Hope you understood this question. And I will give a clear slide of this, note of this in the next slide. Thanks for watching.